Why do some people stay consistent no matter what, while others quit after just a... Is it discipline or something else? Because if you feel lazy all the time, you're not alone. Most people think discipline is motivation, that you need to feel ready first. But that's wrong. Motivation comes and goes. Your brain is not designed for hard work. It's designed to save energy and avoid discomfort. That's why easy things feel good. Scrolling, watching, relaxing, all give instant rewards. But hard work? It feels painful at first, so your brain chooses the easy path. Again and again, until it becomes automatic. This is not laziness, it's programming. And your environment controls it more than your willpower ever will. Discipline starts with your environment, not your mindset. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. Remove distractions. Prepare your space. Reduce friction. You don't need to do more. You need to start smaller. If 1 hour feels hard, start with 2 minutes, because starting is everything. Action creates momentum, and momentum builds discipline. Here's the real secret. Discipline is not what you do. It's who you believe you are. If you see yourself as lazy, you will act lazy. But if you change your identity, your actions will follow. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Small progress still counts. Just don't miss twice. At first, it feels hard, but slowly, your brain adapts. Discipline becomes automatic. You don't force it anymore. You become it. You're not lazy. You just need the right system.